Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and did you know you were supposed to clean your infant's gums and tongue? Well, I'm glad that I was able to find something that made that easier for me. This is from the brand Mokoala, and it's a baby oral cleaner. I love how they come individually packaged. It makes it a lot easier to just pull one out and not worry about getting the rest of them dirty. They fit a lot in the little container. The container is nice to have too because it keeps it all organized. So it's really easy to open, and it's just like a piece of gauze pretty much, and you would just wet that and put it in your baby's tongue, clean his tongue and around his gums. And then you would throw it away and use a new one next time. So if you're looking for an easier way to clean your baby's tiny little mouth, definitely check out these oral cleaners from Mokoala. They're gonna really help you get that job done in a nice, gentle way, and that's my point of view.